Mamata. I'm from Batinda, Punjab. I'm working in super specialty hospital. It is a 350 bedded hospital right now, and I'm working there as a consultant and came here for basic laparoscopic training. And I'm very satisfied with the training course also. And right now I'm in the middle because I joined here for 3 weeks. And in 1 week I learned much more than expected. And hopefully I can start with basic laparoscopy surgeries after completion of my course. And staff is very patient with me because I don't know anything at all how to handle the instruments and everything. They are cooperating very well. And sir is also very good and very patient.